can you find the shaded area given that AC is 4 and in triangle ACP it is A, C, P, AP is equal to CP. That means it is an isosceles triangle. So from point P, if we make a perpendicular on AC, suppose this point is Q, then it will bisect the base AQ and CQ. They will be AC divided by 2 and AC is 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. From point P, if we make a perpendicular on AC, suppose this point is Q, then AQ it will be 2 and CQ it will be 2 and now in triangle BAP and triangle QAP, BA is equal to QA, that is 2. Angle BAP is equal to angle QAP, that is theta, and AP is common. So triangle BAP it will be congruent to triangle QAP. Hence angle ABP it will be equal to angle AQP, and angle AQP is 90 degrees. That means this angle it will be also 90 degrees, and in triangle CPQ and triangle CAB, one angle is 90 degrees and one angle is common. That means triangle CPQ it will be similar to triangle CAB. Hence CP over CA it will be PQ over AB, and CP over CA is 4 and PQ over AB is 2. So CP over PQ it will be 4 divided by 2, that will be 2 divided by 1. That means if CP is 2A, then PQ it will be A. If CP is 2A, then PQ it will be A. And CP squared it will be PQ squared plus CQ squared, and CP is 2A squared, PQ is A squared, and CQ is 2 squared, and 4A squared it is A squared plus 4, and 4A squared minus A squared it is 4, and 3A squared is 4. So A squared it will be 4 divided by 3. That means A it will be 2 divided by root 3. We get A is 2 divided by root 3, and now shaded area it is area of ACP, that will be 1 over 2 times base is AC and height is PQ, and it is 1 over 2 times AC is 4 and PQ is A, that is 2 divided by root 3, and 2 will get cancelled, so it is 4 divided by root 3.